It feels incredible to actually be with people face to face and actually having that real experience. I'm very excited.
It's really important for us because it allows us an opportunity to learn. We all face similar challenges and have same kind of experiences, but there are things that other people have already advanced from, and we can learn from that. So it's been a really, really good opportunity for that. And also, just as the name suggests, to energize us. It's a lot of work, and this is really needed to help with that.
Just walking in this morning and hearing the buzz in the hallway and everybody like saying hi to people that they've only ever seen on Zoom, or some people maybe they've never even met or only communicated with through email. So it was just the energy this morning and the excitement, and seeing how glad and appreciative people were to be here in person.
I really enjoyed the breakout sessions where you have an opportunity to talk with other people, so that you're learning, okay, maybe the way I define something, I could expand my horizons and see it through a different lens and add to it. I like the inspiration. It's just amazing.